The consecration and the enthronement of the third Bishop, Reverend Canon Joshua Kugonza of Massindi-Kitara Diocese in ideas, as the host bishop and organizing chairperson explains.
George William Wasimwe Kasangaki, I'm about to retire being the bishop of the Diocese and Bishop of Masindi-Kitara Diocese. Now we are on the final touches. We know the D-Day, the anticipated day, the long-awaited day is 3rd August, and people are prepared for that day. I want to thank the committee, the central organizing committee. I want to thank all other sub-committees, and you can see the work is going on of even preparing the area where the function is going to be. And so we are well prepared, and we are only waiting to receive bishops. They will be beginning to arrive mostly tomorrow. But today we have the advance team from the province arriving. They must be about to arrive. And then tomorrow all the bishops will be arriving. And then on the Sunday we have a big function of consecration and enthronement of Joshua Kugonza as the 3rd bishop of Massindi-Kitara Diocese. But also we have the function of dedicating the new cathedral. The new cathedral, you remember the time I was consecrated and enthroned, we were in the old cathedral that began as a local church, elevated to the parish level, elevated to archdeaconry level, and later it became the cathedral. But it was small. But now we have built big church, as much as we have the what we are still adding, the tower and the other things, but much of the work is already done.
My name is Lay Canon Peter Yevale, the chairperson organizing committee for this great event of consecrating the 3rd Bishop of Massindi-Kitara Diocese. Right now we are raising up the tents for the guests to sit in, and where we are going to have the altar. Everybody here is working. You can see Photogenics is the service provider that is giving us these tents, and the Christians are also very busy collecting the dirt everywhere. You can see all people are engaged doing the work so that we can have a successful event. I expect so many people to be here, but we are going to accommodate them, we are going to feed them, we are going to do everything possible for them so that they can remember that this has been a marvelous event. Entire nation, please make sure that you tune in from the TV and observe and watch how this ceremony is going to take place.
Bishop George William Kasangaka thanked members who have supported him in his leadership and spiritual service in the diocese, and requested the newly bishop should also be supported similarly. He also welcomed the Archbishop in Masindi, but also requested members to watch Family TV.
All the people we have worked with, I want to say thank you. Thank you very much for supporting us and for giving us all the support we needed during our time of service or ministry. And I want to urge you to support now the incoming bishop who will be consecrated on Sunday, 3rd August 2025. Encourage you to work hand in hand with him, just as you have worked hand in hand with us. All the political leaders, the local leaders, the civic leaders, the religious leaders, the clergy, and the other denominations. The viewers of Family TV, this is our TV. I want to urge you to support this TV with programs and all other things that are aired on Family TV, so that it can continue to grow. When you see the programs on Family TV, they are excellent. You see very clear pictures, very committed staff, and everything. They only need to expand so that it reaches far and wide. Your Grace, the Archbishop of the Church of Uganda, I want to welcome you to Masindi. We are waiting for you, and we are eagerly waiting to receive you. We know it will be, you will be having a lot to do to dedicate the cathedral and also consecrate, helped by the bishops, consecrate the 3rd Bishop of Masindi. We welcome you to Masindi, and we love you.
Joel Tinkasimire for Church of Uganda Family TV News at 8.